taken a very long time to come back with yet another video. I'm so sorry guys, I had to deal with my office project works. I was working day and night for that, so I did not get any time. I really apologize. But today I'm here with a very interesting video. I'm sure you will not be disappointed with this. By the title of this video, you would have already guessed it, what this video is all about. So yes, it's all about a planner, and I'm very much obsessed with the planners. All these years I have been using planners, but it was my self-made planners because I used to not find every detail of the things whatever I required in the planners. But this time I thought, let me get it from the outside vendor, and I came across this profile called Space and Beauty. She has designed a wonderful planner for 2021. The moment I saw the details and everything, I felt this is the go-to planner for this 2021 year. So I got this planner in a cardboard packaging box, as you could see here, very neatly packaged, and no damage has been occurred while transportation also. So let's do unboxing of this planner. I'm opening it from here. So I have one more box inside a cardboard box. Again, this box is a very sturdy box. I'll show you this box as well. There is a planner with inside this box. We'll check that planner too. Can you just see the thickness? I have my planner. So I'll show you how this planner looks. The front part and the back part of the planner. So this is a front look of the planner, and this is the back look of the planner. It's very simple but very elegant. They have written let's goal here and 2021, if you could see. And also they have limited edition. It's not throughout the year you will be getting it. It's only for certain period of time. And also, can you look at the back? Such amazing cute stars. I really appreciate the way they have put the dedication and hard work for this planner. I can't wait enough to show you what's inside this planner. Before showing what's inside this planner, I would like to show the goodies they have shared with this planner. Again, they are also very amazing, guys. One is this mobile holder, another one is a sticker book, and the third one is Ikigai worksheets. With this Ikigai worksheets, you have one postcard and bookmarks. If you could see here, can you see? Okay, I'll show you in detail. So you get, it's not just one or two stickers, it's a sticker, it's a pack of 1,000 stickers. Can you see? So amazing, guys. You need not think of buying stickers from outside or decorating your planner. You don't have to do any other extra hard work. She has everything for you inside this planner box. And you have this very beautiful mobile holder you can stick in the back of your phone if you already do not have one. And again, this has a matching theme with a planner. Let's dig right into the planner and its details, how it's designed and all. So the moment you open the planner, you have this page, the fab year belongs to. You can write your name and paste your pick. Then next you have two calendars, 21 and 22. Then you have birthdays, you can list it out. And then in next page you have pixels, year in pixels. Based on your mood, you can shade the boxes you would like. You can get creative here. Then you have level 10 goals. You can shade it or you can write it down. It's up to you. Then you can write down all the books you want to read for 2021. You can write it on the diagrams itself as they have written here. Very interestingly it is designed. Then in the next page you have sacred rituals for morning and evening. You can list it down, what you want to do, morning walk, evening walk, and so on. And the next page you have meditative symbol. You can doodle, do something you want to, write something. You can draw something. It's again it's up to your creativity part. It's Hygge, it's usually called as Hugo. It's again you're giving time for yourself. Then mental health, your affirmations, brain activity you can take care of. All those things you can list it down here. In the next page you have a worry tree. It says, it's a chart where it says if you are worrying about something, you have two options. Either you know the solution, or you do not know the solution. If you know the solution, what you can do, how you can do, where you can do, that's your action plan. If you do not know, then you can just leave it. This is a movie wall of movies where you can list out all your favorite movies in these tables. And TV shows watch list, you can rate your shows accordingly, 1 star, 2 star, or 5 star. Then this is the clean chart where you can note down what you want to clean weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, and all. So again it's up to you. This is a planner where you can list down for your traveling essentials or miscellaneous souvenirs you want to buy. And bucket list where you would like to travel in 2021. You can note down all of that over here. Then you have a January page. In this you have to-do list, affirmations, everything. You can set goal for yourself for that particular month. So travel, become, create, and so on. And at the end of every week you have a gratitude space. You can be thankful, and for every month end you have again a gratitude space. That also you can note down. And review what you did and what you want to improve. You can review yourself based on what you have written and how much you have performed or been successful in that. Then you have a shopping list planner. You can note down, you can be minimalistic person here. You can write down all the things. Expense tracker you have, and then you have a food tracker, what you eat, everything. You have fitness tracker. You have meal planner, what you would like to prepare for the coming week, lunch, breakfast, and so on. Then you have obsessions space, whatever you're obsessed with. Again the same thing continues for all of the rest of the months. So this planner is so beautifully designed and so ideal it is. Every detail has been covered. These, as I told you in the beginning, these are Ikigai worksheets, stickers, bookmarks, and they have given one postcard. To whomever you would wish to write a postcard, you can write it. There is a space here from and to. You can do that as well. It's very neatly arranged, all these goodies and everything in a pack of planner box. According to me, planning is a must and very essential. So I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please consider to subscribe to my channel and do click on that bell icon so that you do not miss any notifications whenever I make any video and post it. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.